It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am actually really concerned tonight because we have more storms moving in. We are supposed to get severe thunderstorms, straight line winds, 70 miles per hour, right on the lake. I'm like, we just did this last Thursday? Was that last Thursday I lost my power? Oh my gosh. So I'm a little bit nervous. So I'm doing my videos early just in case I lose power. So I want to talk about Midnight Spell, you guys, because you can actually get the cream today for $5.50, both in-store and online. In-store, you're going to need the code, and then online, the code is, what is it? I think it's Soft Skin. So what's interesting about Midnight Spell is there is no lotion, so there's no lotion for $5.50. Instead, they have the Shimmer Fizz body lotion, which is not $5.50. I was hoping they would have included this, but we're going to talk about Midnight Spell. This is actually really a neat fragrance. So, Midnight Spell, the packaging, of course, is like super Halloween-y. This is going to be good in October. I was saying yesterday, these are good to pick up like now and hold on to them, you know, for Halloween, because the price, $5.50, you can't beat the price. So this one is actually Mystic Air, Moonlit Woods, and Crystal Amber. I did not think I was actually going to like the scent based on the scent notes, but then I got the little mini in the Diamond Shimmer Mist, and I was like, I like this a lot. This is a really nice Halloween-y unisex scent. It does. It's outdoorsy. There's no patchouli. There's no cinnamon. There's no clove. It's not like one of those like fall scents. This is more of like a really nice outdoorsy scent. It also comes in the big Diamond Shimmer Mist, and then there's a mini, and of course those aren't on sale today because it's buy three, get three on the body care. So I don't recommend today getting anything but the $5.50 body care. Oh my gosh, the dry down on this is so nice too. I feel like it has a little bit of maybe like a third cousin to Open Sky. I don't know. I get like an Open Sky vibe. It's different, but there's like something that kind of like triggers my memory for Open Sky. I may do a comparison. I like the lightness of the dry down too. It almost smells a little bit like an earthy smell. Earthy or like, I don't want to say like cement. It's more like stone. Cement's not like it smells like cement. Doesn't smell like cement. It smells a little bit more like a stone smell. But I like it. This is totally unisex too, you guys. I'm digging it. I'm digging it for Halloween. I love the packaging. I love the black top. You can get the cream today. The cream, actually, put a little bit on here. It's nice. I get a little bit of sweetness with the cream too. It's funny. I feel like though the cream, I don't know if I would use the cream as much. I like this more as a perfume than as a cream. I don't know why. It's just a little thing with me. Shower gel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm digging the shower gel. Check out the packaging. The packaging again is absolutely stunning. I love this Halloween vibe. What I like about this though, I don't know. I used a little bit of the shower gel last night and I'm like, this is a really nice shower gel. Again, totally unisex. And you know me, sometimes I don't like those like airy scents. I didn't like, what is that, Autumn Drive last year? Remember Autumn Drive? I kept calling it Apple Drive. The Cashmere one, oh, where is that? Or the Lakeside one. I'm not a huge fan of Lakeside. I like this. There's got to be something in here that's a specific note. I don't know if it's the Crystal Amber. I don't know if it's the Mystic Woods. I like this better than Twilight Woods, too. I think this is a great scent. And this is something that I would use absolutely in the mist. The shower gel. For some reason, the cream's not, like, overly thrilling me. I like a little bit more, like, I don't know, foodie stuff with the cream. And then, of course, it comes in the Shimmer Fizz, which I gotta do a full on like review of these. These are unusual. They're kind of fun to gift, but basically what they are is it's like this gooey, sticky, crackly Shimmer Fizz, and then what you do is you kind of rub it in, and it leaves a little bit like of a sparkle, which is fun for Halloween, fun for this fall. And then you get like the nice scent, but it does dry down well. Like it doesn't feel sticky after you dry down. It's just kind of a nice little, it's a nice soft lotion, which you wouldn't expect from the aerosol. Some people love these, some people don't, but they're pricey. What are these? These are like $17.95. So you want to wait for a better body care sale on that kind of stuff. I can't stop smelling this. I love this so much. So again, I would definitely recommend picking up the cream. You know, it's really giftable. It's fun. I like the Magic Potion, not the Magic Potion. Where is my other one, you guys? I'm so disorganized today. Everlasting Magic. I'm like Magic Spell, Magic Potion. There's like all kinds of magic stuff going on. Everlasting Magic is actually much more to my liking in the cream, and so is Vampire Blood. We're going to do a huge Vampire Blood video, by the way. I don't know if, I can't remember if Midnight Spell comes in the concentrated room spray. I don't think it does. That's kind of interesting. But anyway, if you like open air scents, if you like open sky, if you like any of those type of scents, I would get this one. It's a total win for me. So I will be back. I'm going to do another video. We got to talk about that man-woman spooky candle holder. And then I'm going to try and do a video maybe later. I don't know. I got to see what my power's doing. My power better not go out. I'm a little bit nervous. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Let me know if you're doing the sale today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.